Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Jack Sullivan from the Last Kids on Earth series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to draw Sullivan from Last Kids on Earth, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little dot here, and then I'm going to make a little dot right here. Now for the nose, I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve around and then come up to here. For the eyebrows, we're just going to make a little skinny rectangle that we're going to fill in, and we're going to draw these at an angle. Then we're going to make a little line underneath each one for like his little eye mask makeup. We'll make a little smile for the mouth right here. And then right here, we're going to curve a line around for the ear. Let's draw a line that comes down, a little sideways line for some detail inside the ear. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then up here for the chin. And then right here, let's bring this line up, and then we're going to curve over to here for this hair. Then we're going to curve this line down. Next, we're going to curve this line down for the ear. And we're going to make another line down. Now for his hair, let's bring this line up. And let's put a couple little points in there. Let's make a couple more points that go up. And let's bring this line up to a point and back. Then we're going to make a big point here. Then a couple small points. Then we're going to curve this down. Next, we're going to bring this line down and up for the neck. Now for the shoulders, let's draw two lines that come out on each side. Then we're going to draw this line down, and we're going to draw this line down. We're going to make this line come down and up for a shirt. And then we're going to make a couple little wrinkle lines on here. Now for his legs, we're going to draw a long line down and then another long line down right here. We'll make a little line across. Then we're going to make a line that goes down with a little bump. And same thing here, a line that goes down with a little bump and then comes down. We'll make these lines come in just to show some wrinkles in his pants. We'll make a couple little wrinkle lines at the bottom for his jeans. And then we're going to make his shoes. So to start off, we're going to bring a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up and down. Same thing here, down, and then curve up and down. Curve this line over and up, and curve this line over and up. Little line here, and a little line here. Little line down, little line down. And then we're going to make a couple lines here and a couple lines here. Now let's make his arm. We'll draw a line that comes down at an angle. And then we're going to bring it in at an angle. Then we're going to curve this line to here. Let's bring this line in. We'll make a little bump for his sleeve. And we'll bring this line up. Let's curve a line for part of his sleeve. We'll make a little line for his thumb, and then a couple lines for his fingers. Now let's make the other arm over here. Let's draw a line that comes down. Then we're going to make this line come up. And then we're going to draw that same thing, just kind of go down and then up. A little curve right here for the sleeve. And then we're going to make a couple little lines right here on his wrist. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and then curve down. And that'll be his thumb. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape here. And then a shorter rectangle shape here, one here, and then one here. Then we're going to make this line come down, over, and then down. And a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here. And I'm going to bring this up here and kind of curve it and put a couple little points in it for his little broken bat. Then I'm going to bring this back and bring this back to here. We're going to bring two lines down here and make like an oval shape with a little curve here. Then we're going to put some little lines here. And just a couple little broken lines on his bat. Then the last thing we're going to make is a little pack. So we're just going to draw two long lines that come up here. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape here. And a little line that comes in, up, and then over. And there you go. There is your drawing of Jack Sullivan from The Last Kids on Earth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.